Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today is January the 30th, 2020, and it's cold out here today. But hey, I'm getting my new central air and heat unit installed today. I know I made a video yesterday about it, and today is happening. So let's take a look at the stuff that they took out of my house. Okay, so we can looking at it, this is the old unit here. This here is well, the furnace, the drip pan, and well, the AC part of it. As you can look at it, you can see the thing had done cracked. It's done got hot, and over a period of years, this stuff here had just deteriorated. You can see in there how that heat has dissipated the coils and stuff on it. Just looking at it, that's the thing right in there. And that thing there is just done got old. Just all the components and everything in it. So, just looking at that, there's a lot of stuff to go in it. That's the old thermostat. Yeah, I guess that's where the flames go. Pilot light. Just looking at that there. This is the blower motor. It's pretty heavy. Capacitor on that. That's still good. Yeah, I know there's aluminum in here. There's some copper in there. That's a little money in that, but you gotta get a lot of that stuff to make some money out of it. Well, look, let me see what they have over here. This is the unit. Oh, the condenser. Okay. Got a drip pan. Wow. It's a big unit. Wow. Yeah. Look at it back here. Wow. What's going on back here? Let's check it out in the back.
Lord.
Pretty heavy?
Huh?
It's heavy?
Yep. I'm gonna get falling off. I don't want to fall off.
Oh, all right. Still got one. I'm gonna hold it.
Okay, I'm right that thing.
All right.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, gotcha.
I'll put your new pad on you. You want a pad right here?
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Got it.
You can come this way.
Come on. Which one?
Drop it right here.
Okay, let me
Good?
Yeah, that's good. All right. Oh yeah.
You like it like that?
Yeah, that's good.
Sure.
Yeah, as long as it don't fall off. Unless it need to be more in the center.
There's a copper right here. You got them copper right here.
Uh-huh.
I'll figure out that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just gonna sit there. I'm gonna fall off that. May have to put some burglar balls around it.
I ain't going nowhere.
Nah. Just sit there. Yeah, this old thing here. Huh. Dang it. Still got filtered. That grass and got off on there.
You gotta clean it 2 times.
Yeah.
Trying to see which way.
Ain't look like he's got more open calls and really get some grass in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they. Yeah, that don't give you much shielding to it.
Trying to get some room to work around here.
Yeah.
If I put it in the middle, that's where the brick going to be.
Uh-huh.
The pad.
Well.
If you rock, I probably got some vibration pad I can put in the back.
Uh-huh.
So it don't vibrate, but that's where it's going to be. For now. Ain't got no space to work.
Yeah, nah, that's. Trend. High fishing. Yeah, they don't.
See all copper I'm gonna need.
All right. Wow. That's a big condenser here. It's totally bigger than the one that I originally had compared to this old Trend here. And that's the thing here. You have to wash them every year. all that grass that'll suck in there and kind of wash all those. Well, I guess those are fins, like claws in there. It's an older model unit. But this was way back in the 90s, so now we're in the 2000s. And this is the way these units are here. So, it's pretty big. Looks pretty simple. Got a capacitor there, relay. Oh well. Looking at what they have here. Well, it's gonna be under warranty, so if anything goes wrong with it, within, well, for 10 years, they'll come out and fix it. And rest assured that if I have some problems, I'm sure we'll be letting them know about it.